Typing job is one of the best side hustle for anyone who loves to work at home or beginners looking to earn online with no experience. Can you type? If your answer is yes, then make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I will show you a legit and a genuine website that will pay you between $150 to $1,215 per month as a transcriptionist. All you have to do is listen to an audio or a video file and then type the words you can hear. They pay up to $0.60 per audio or video minute through PayPal or PAYONEER. This website will pay you only for the number of files you are able to transcribe. You can work as much as you want to earn more, and you can work whenever you want. Of course, it's a freelance job. They hire worldwide, so you don't have to worry about your country. No matter the country you are eligible to apply. Before I tell you what website I'm talking about, I would like to tell you the requirements to apply. First, you must be 18 years old or above. You must have a laptop or a PC. You must have a stable internet connection. You must have basic English skills. And lastly, you must have a PayPal or a PAYONEER. After the application process is the text section where you'll be given a test. Your application will be reviewed manually, so it might take up to 30 to 60 days to get your results. Results are sent by email. You can also check your application status from the test page. If you see an error message that says we are checking your application, it means that it's still pending. If you're accepted, your error message will say you're a transcriber. If you fail the test, you can take the test again with the same account. Do not create multiple accounts, otherwise your application will be declined. The minimum accuracy rate needed to pass is 95%, and the name of the website is Go Transcript. To apply, click the Apply Now button, fill your details, and then submit. I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.